Welcome to our video on simple sums within 10. This is a kindergarten math lesson all about addition. Let's learn addition. Addition means putting groups of things together. For example, 2 plus 1. Let's practice adding 1. Look at the example. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. And 4 plus 1 equals. Now for practice 2, try to solve these problems by adding 2. What is 2 plus 2? 3 plus 2, 4 plus 2 and 5 plus 2. Solve it yourself. It's time for practice 3. See if you can figure out these sums. 3 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 5 plus 3 and 6 plus 3. Do solve this by yourself. Here is practice 4, where we add 1 again. What is 5 plus 1? 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1 and 8 plus 1. Solve these problems. 2 plus 4, 3 plus 5, 1 plus 6 and 0 plus 7. Great job! You learned simple addition within 10. Keep practicing to get even better.